In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add light leaks in OpenArt. Light leaks are those soft, dreamy flares you see along the edges of film photos, subtle streaks of warm color that add nostalgia and depth. We'll recreate that look quickly and cleanly without touching the rest of your image. Start on the OpenArt homepage and move your cursor over the image area to reveal the editing options. Choose Edit Image to open the editor. Now upload the photo you want to enhance. Portraits, street scenes, and product shots all work great. Images with a bit of negative space near the edge make the effect feel especially natural. Once your image loads, switch to the InPaint tool. InPainting tells the AI to modify only the areas you paint over, leaving everything else untouched. Look for the brush controls below and adjust the brush size to fit your scene. Larger, soft brush works well for broad edge glows. A smaller brush is safer if your subject is close to the frame. Paint over the region where you want the light to appear, typically along an edge or corner, as if light is sneaking in from outside the frame. Keep the mask off important details like eyes, text, or logos so the glow doesn't wash them out. If you go too far, just undo and repaint a tighter selection. In the text prompt box, describe the light leak clearly. For example, subtle warm light leak from the edge, soft orange, and golden glow. Words like subtle, soft, warm, or gentle will keep the effect tasteful. If you want cooler tones, swap in soft teal and blue glow, but avoid stacking too many colors at once. Next, pick a model. Premium options like Flux prioritize fidelity and consistency, while a quick option gives you results faster if you're exploring ideas. If you're aiming for a polished final look, the premium model is often worth the extra seconds. Set the number of images to generate. More images give you more variations to choose from, which is handy for fine-tuning intensity and placement. Just remember that higher counts take a bit longer to render. Click Create and let the AI work. When the results appear, compare the variations. Choose the one where the glow complements the subject, adds depth to the composition, and feels integrated rather than pasted on. If the effect is too strong, try a smaller mask area or add words like very subtle to your prompt. If it's too faint, remove subtle and emphasize bright edge glow. That's it. Clean custom light leaks in just a few steps.